Ready? Ready?
I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't been able to upload lately. If you are checking in the Rock Paper Puzzles family, we've been updating quite a lot. If you haven't seen, go check out our video about Kyoto. That's one of my favourites. And I also like the Odaiba one, so go check them out. And anyway, why did you bring me in here?
So, you said you wanted to show off some of your fidget toys because you've got so many of them. But we thought we'd do it with a bit of a twist. So next to you, you've got some playing cards. And you'll see lots of water.
Oh no, this isn't going to end well.
You're going to pick up a playing card. If it's odd, then I'm going to pour some water over your head, starting with the smallest all the way up to the largest. If it's even though, you can dip into your bag and tell us about one of the fidget toys.
Yes! Do I get to pick which fidget?
Why don't you just rummage with your hands and see what you pick out?
Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Apart from one of it, I don't want to get wet.
Let's see if you can get all the way to the end of all your fidget toys without getting to the end of the water.
That's like that much water. Ah. Okay, let's see my first card. One. Uh-oh. I guess it's water. Pour it on me. It's so cold! Cold! I'm soaked already. No, that was just round one. That was round one, and I've already soaked. I'm not happy for the last one. Yay! Even I get to show you guys a card. And not a card, a fidget. So I'm going to... Oh, I got my fries poppet. It's a regular rainbow poppet. This is my newest one. It's just regular rainbow, and I got it in my advent calendar.
That's me.
Okay, time for the next card. No! I'm gonna get so wet. Okay. Use cards pile. Put it in there. It's freezing! Time to pick my next card. Not again. Oh no.
Gonna put this one on yourself.
Okay.
You go high above your head.
It's so cold! I've still got some left in it. It's freezing.
Get it on you.
Looks like I weed myself.
Yeah.
My leggings are wet. Soaking wet. Seriously. Another one. I've only showed one fidget. Oh my goodness.
This is a big one. Get ready.
I cut it down my shirt. That is so cold. Drenched. Okay. Yay! It's full. I can show you guys some of my fidgets. Ooh, I've got two of these, so I'm going to show you my other. So they're little unicorns, fluffy bodies, and you can stretch them. Stretchy unicorns. Most of these I got in my advent calendar. They stretch really long. Okay. Okay, time to pick again. Two! I get to show you guys another fidget. Oh! It's just like the fries one, just in a different shape. This one's a heart. This is the first fidget I ever got. I love you guys! out the ones that I've done. Okay. Hopefully I don't get that one. That's a bastard. 4! Wait, I think I've got all the 4s now. I think I've got all of them. Yay! My simple dimple chain. They all came individually, but I decided to attach them together. So I've got a snowman with navy and grey. I've got a Santa with a brown and red. And then I've got an avocado with an orange, and I call it the seed. My favourite, I really like the snowman. It's one of my favourites. Which one's yours? Comment down below. Next one. I knew this was coming. I wish it was warm water, not cold. It freaks me. Can you do it bit by bit? Like bit, then pour, bit, then pour, bit.
What do you think? Okay, bit by bit.
Just a little bit first. Hey, you keep going.
No, I've stopped. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I'm breathing. Still got some left. Oh my goodness, got closer. Not at the back. Oh, my back's freezing. I'm just soaked.
Ready for the last bit?
Maybe last bit.
You ready for this? I'm going to do it differently.
Okay,
You ready? Just look at the camera.
Soaked cards.
It's okay.
Get the card.
But I soaked you more.
Okay. Time for the next one. 8. Time for a fidget. So this is my biggest fidget. It's massive. It's my heart puppet. It might just look like it's just transparent, but it isn't. It's much cooler. If you put it in the sun, then it goes rainbow, just like one of my fries puppet. Next one. Hopefully not. Next. I'm going to get to the end one, aren't I? Please, can you make it warm water?
No.
What? Ah! I'm gonna get freezing. This is torture! Why did I agree on showing my fidgets?
Here we go.
Do the splash thing. I find it easier. Not the 4! I like the splash! I like the splash, not the 4!
Splash?
Not the 4. Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
This is a lot. Hang on, I need to pour a bit out.
You're so
Ready?
fidget.
Ready?
Go. I'm drunk.
Oh, amazing. Okay,
Look at all that water
you've,
coming out.
you've only got one more left. Let's hope you get some
And I have-
evens.
oh my goodness, I have 4 fidgets left. Yeah, I'm gonna have that. I got a 10. Let's show you guys one. So this is Spencer's. Actually, my brother. It says hexagon. I keep it. I don't know what it is. Pentagon? Octagon. I never know them. Now I'm wetting this fidget. I'm soaked. Okay, throwing it in the bowl. Yay! This is one of my favourites. I bring it everywhere with me. It's just a little rocket ship. I put the pinky top on this one because it's tiny and it can't fit any on the finger. And then this is the thumb. Thumb, pinky.
It's getting close.
Goodbye, world.
Oh, here we go.
No, I don't want it. No, why did I agree on doing this? I didn't think it was that much. I
I'll let you show all the I'll tell you what, I'll let you show all of them after this, okay? So you can still show them all.
For good content.
I'm going for it, okay?
For the whole thing.
Yeah, get ready.
No.
I'll do it fast. You ready?
I'm gonna cry.
This is so much water.
You're so happy! Okay, time for me to show you my last fidget. So I have a little squidgy reindeer. Collectors. And this, where you rub it against your fingers. Next to yours with like a little spike ball. I got some in my underpants. I got some this in my underpants. I've got this, which is a puzzle ball, and then you have to put the pieces together. That's why it's all multicolored, because they're all different pieces. And my last fidget is this. It's a globe, but it does this. Imagine if that's you there, or there, or there. Look at you. Squished. That's how easy it is to destroy the world. Bye guys, thank you for watching my video where my dad drenched me.